everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're having issues with Snapchat's camera access, then you'll need to authorize camera access for your Snapchat application. But if you're not sure how to do it, follow the steps. Tap Open Your Settings button from your iPhone. Scroll all the way down from the list of the applications displayed on the screen. Tap on Snapchat. Right where you can see Camera button, enable the button right next to it in order to allow it. That way, you'll be able to allow your camera access for Snapchat. Make sure that all of the other access are turned on as well if you want to run the application without any kind of a problem. That is how you can easily allow access for a camera on Snapchat application using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.